Hello guys and girls, it's Usernamekate. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Guys, I'm going to Supremecoat's VIP day. Now, why am I excited? Because Supremecoat, for this VIP day, invited myself, Lily, Duke of Blonde, and Lucia to attend as their Supremecoat Angels, which just cracks me right up. So if you want to come along for a day with me to see what the Supremecoat VIP event's all about, then keep watching. Yeah, so today I bet you're thinking, where's Beatrix? Well, I'm on a Triumph Speed Twin 1200, which I've got on loan from Triumph at the minute. Lily's just been having some issues with the Super Duke, so she's coming on Beatrix. She is coming down on my little brummer. So I'll be meeting Lily at Supremecoat because I have to be at the Yonderman for a set time, because believe it or not, Supremecoat have trusted me to lead a ride out. I'm actually really excited for this day. The weather forecast isn't supposed to be great, but to be honest, I'm just that used to riding in wet, crappy weather that I suppose it's almost just priming me for the next few months ahead. So yeah, as I was saying, crikey, I'm leading a ride. I've never led a ride before, so this is kind of like a bit of a first for me. I wonder if it'll give me a taste to do more, or whether I absolutely hate it.
So my GoPro gave up the ghost and I decided it didn't want to film, hence this voiceover. So as you can see, getting closer to the event, it starts raining. Of course it does. But I'm just about ready to turn into the Yonderman Cafe and meet everybody there. Once at the Yonderman Cafe, I rallied round, found all the troops and gave them a brief on how we were going to conduct the ride. We were going to operate the second man drop-off rule, and hopefully that would get us to Supremecoat all together in a nice group. This experience was so awesome for me. I've never led a group ride and the adrenaline of doing it was so good. I always feel like I'm not really one of life's leaders, so I do relish the opportunity to push myself and test myself and put myself a little bit out of my comfort zone at times, and leading this group was certainly doing that, but it was extremely worthwhile and we all got there in one piece. After arriving with a warm welcome at Supremecoat's headquarters in Dronfield, everybody slowly made their way to the workshop entrance for Darren's grand reveal. We knew there was going to be fish and chips, fun and games and competitions throughout the day, but Darren and his team had successfully kept something grand from us all, and it was time for him to reveal what the VIP day had in store.
Welcome everyone, these are my Supremecoat Angels and the first event of many to come. So thank you so much ladies for coming. And obviously I just said to everyone, there's food on today, refreshments and goodie bags. Your goodie bags are locked away and I will give you yours before you leave. Okay. So if you can just follow me over here. This is the big event. Has anybody guessed what it could be? Any ideas?
Workshop.
What?
Workshop.
Oh, very good. Right, on three then. Ladies, you ready?
Yes.
Welcome, first time, to the Supremecoat Casino Day. Right, get your money. Simply the best for us. We deal with quality, so meet the team inside, relax, enjoy. Obviously enjoy your fish and chips, and welcome.
Okay. Give us real money.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't scratch to that. Can you see what I'm invested in? Come on. Right, help yourself anyway. Do relax and thanks ever so much. Alright.
Armed with our funny money, we headed into the Supremecoat Casino where we had a day of laughs. Now, I personally have never been in a casino, so it was really nice to just have a go at learning how all the games worked. It was interesting to learn how to play poker, and what was even better was you could just risk it all because you're not losing any real money. We had different soundtracks from the Bond films playing in the background, and it was just a proper fun affair. Whilst everybody was having fun, we were all in competition with each other as to who could have the most money left at the end of the day. And when people weren't in the casino, we were having a chat, we were socialising, getting to know each other, having some refreshments, and of course our fish and chips. At the end of it, we announced the winners. There were competitions as to who had the cleanest bike, who had the dirtiest bike, who won third, second and third prize in having the most money at the end of the day. But Supremecoat actually made up real trophies for the winners, so that was fun.
Well, that concludes the day at Supremecoat. Good turnout. I've got about 23, 24 bikes. Yeah, what an awesome event. Everyone's smiling. It's been so much fun at the Supremecoat Casino. Literally just awesome. Just having fun with our fake money. And yeah, just having a blast. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's been a great time, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.